flying so high. B is for balloon, up in the sky. C is for car driving down the street. D is for dinosaur stomping its feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for horse with fast, strong feet. Let's sing the ABCs, let's learn and play. Learning letters in a fun way. I is for ice cream, a yummy treat. J is for juice, so fresh and sweet. K is for key, it opens the door. L is for lion, hear him roar. M is for monkey, swinging with ease. N is for nest, high in the trees. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin, black and white. Let's sing the ABCs, let's learn and play. Learning letters in a fun way. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for squirrel, quick and small. T is for tiger, so brave and tall. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. W is for watch, ticking away. X is for xylophone with musical sound. Y is for yak, furry and round. Z is for zebra with stripes so bright. Now we've sung our ABCs right.